What's up, everybody from Kaohsiung in Taiwan? I'm getting an ear cleaning at a looked like a very historic barbershop. I don't know her name. I don't know how much this costs. I think I got some good stuff in there because I could feel it. Might need a new light bulb. I feel. Oh, she knows what to do. Yeah, I know I need that. Seriously, feels good already. Very sensitive. Oh, she knows right where the E spot is. She's picking on something. Okay, good. How? That's about all I know in Chinese. How, and ni hao. Okay, oh, good. If you're wondering what's the loud buzzing, there's an air conditioner there. Because it's the hot summertime in Taiwan. And I'm in the southern city of Kaohsiung. So it's hot. Oh yes. Good. How's that like a rhythmic swishing going around? So my right ear, she started first, but my left ear always has more. And I always have to cough a little bit with the left ear. I guess we're done. Oh, feel Oh, feels better. Feels cleaner. Ni hao. The left one's gotta have more. She doesn't play around. She just goes right in, no foreplay, nothing. She's picking on something. Okay, good. Thank you. Oh, that was an intense moment right there. It's like a sharp stick. Oh, good piece. Thank you. 谢谢. The swishing and drying part, I think that's, maybe she's finishing up, I don't know. Oh, clapping and tapping. Oh, I think that's it. I need a cigarette. I'm joking. Maybe a cigar. No, I don't smoke. And now I feel like going to bed after that. Totally feels a lot cleaner now.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay. good. Ear cleaning. All right, done. Okay. Thank you. 谢谢.
谢谢。
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Good. Barbershop. I can't speak any Chinese. It's my fault. Oh, how much is it?
啊，
Oh, how much? Oh, 200?
啊，
Okay. Okay. How much this? How much shaving and how much here? Oh, 100?
200块。
One? Oh, one? Okay, 100 for shaving, 100 for ear cleaning. 100 Taiwan dollars. That's like $3. Okay.
好，谢谢。
Oh, 谢谢. 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 谢谢.
好，谢谢。
Oh, very good.
昨
天
那个小姐太太长
Very good. Yeah, how?
给我啦。
Yeah, I like it. I love it.
嗯，好，好，谢谢。
Bye bye. Bye bye.
拜
Bye bye.
拜。
Seriously, I love it. I love it here. This is a great place. Okay, that was only. So I didn't even ask him how much the price was going to be. I just found out at the end, and it's only $6 for shave and an ear cleaning. Oh, it's good, yeah. No earwax left. I think is what she said. Anybody who speaks Chinese can tell me if that's right. Bye bye. Bye bye.
再见。
Bye bye. 谢谢. 谢谢. Oh, what a great experience. So that's getting an ear cleaning in Kaohsiung in Taipei, Taiwan. Sorry, not Taipei. Oh. You see, Taiwanese people are really nice. Really nice. What a classic barbershop there. There it is. It's right down the street from this school here. See, because I don't even know the name of that barbershop. But it's right next to this primary school. The Chung Xiao Primary School. All right. Thank you all for watching. Wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Thank you to whatever her name is. I should turn this camera off and turn my translate off on and ask her her name, but maybe it'll just be a mystery. All right. Lots of love to the Taiwanese people. Lots of love to you out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it if you want to help a little bit. Thank you to my members and subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. All right. I wonder what she's doing. Maybe she's a recycler. Oh, she's a recycler. What an interesting area. If any of you have been to Taiwan, let me know in the comments section. And any Taiwanese people in here, say hi, and you can tell me what she said in the video, please. Or Chinese people, let me know. Okay, bye-bye.
你好。
Ni hao. Ooh, coffee. Malawi coffee. Let's see what this is. Oh, ni hao. You have coffee? Yeah? Only coffee. No food. Oh, no bakery. Okay, perfect. All right. How about hot coffee, please? Yeah, hot coffee. Perfect. Thank you. How are you? She's grinding for me. All right. I think I won't bother her. I'll just sit down. Well, she's making it, and honestly, I can't read the menu, so I'm just gonna put my coins down, and she can take what she wants. I think she looks like an honest lady. And I love how they have just coffee beans right on the big picture here. Roasted, not roasted. Raw. Oh, 谢谢. 70? Okay, $70. Good. How? All right, let's try this coffee out. I need this after my deep ear cleaning. And I obviously need a manicure. That's coming. Oh, very nice. Oh. Oh, really good. Totally good. I mean, it's not the best I've ever had, but it's totally good. It's what I wanted. Exactly what I needed. All right. This is local Taiwan. See you in the next one. More coming. Bye-bye.